Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how you can do twist on your natural hair. Okay. Alright, so I have a lot of videos showing protective styles and I've done lots of yarn twist, and I got called out that I never actually showed you how to do a twist. So this video will be showing, it's really for beginners, how to do that. Alright, so just get a section of hair and you're going to split it into two, like so. And then you want to hold it at the base. So I like to, you can go either this way or that way. So you either go right over left or you go left over right. It's based on what's more natural and comfortable for you. So you can try both and see which one you prefer. So you're taking both twist, and then I like to use these fingers, and then I kind of use these to hold, to get the other hair, and that will make more sense when I do it. So hold in it with my thumb and index finger on both sides, and then my right hand, I'm going to take this one, take it over to my left, and as you can see, it's coming on top of the index finger. This one's just going to hold that in place while I use my other fingers, my index and my thumb and my index on my right hand to get the one underneath from the left side. Okay? And then I will just switch hands. Going to do that again. So my right hand goes over and hands it that hair to my left hand. And then I go back and I take the one underneath with my right hand. And then I switch my hand position again. And I do the same thing. So right hand takes it over, put it on top of my index on my left, grab it, get the one underneath, and then we'll do that again. Okay. And that's your twist being created. And then as you get more comfortable, you just kind of do it quicker, like so. Okay, so I'm going to show you something to kind of be careful of. So when you first start off, your twist may look like this. Can you see the difference? So this is really loose and this is a bit tighter. So you don't want this loose unless you want that style, but you want it like this and not like this. So let me show you why that may be. If you do your twist and you hold, see how far down I'm holding the hair, and you just start twisting that way, it's going to be loose. And that's not what you want. You want to make sure you hold it at the base, as close to the base. So when you go from this right hand side over to the left hand side, you're holding it firm. And then you take it underneath. So again, see how my hand placement is still quite close to the root. Okay, so you take your index and thumb on your right hand across and put it to your left hand, using that to just hold it in place, your middle finger to hold it in place. Take the one underneath, and then again my fingers are still quite close to the root, and then I do the same thing, right over to the left, take the one underneath, right over to the left, take the one underneath, right over to the left, take the one underneath, and so on and so forth. So another tip is you could start to, if you want it like really smooth, as you take this one to the left, you can kind of twist it a little bit, and then you take it to the left, and then as you take the one from the left hand, you kind of twist it a little bit, and then you do the same thing. Transfer it to the left, taking the one underneath, and then I'm twisting it, and then I'm taking it to the left, I'm taking the one underneath, I am twisting it. So that gives you a much smoother twist as well. And I usually do this a lot for the ends, so I can really get those ends in there. So I just twist it, twist it. Just twisting it as you go. Okay. Alright, so now let's show you how to do a big old twist. Like if you twist in, let's do this side. So now I want to twist all of this. It's going to be hard to kind of use just my thumb and my index finger. So I tend to use more fingers to just hold it in place. So literally like this. And then it's the same concept. We're going to go from right hand over to your left. Take the bulk again, and then we'll do the same. Right hand over to the left. Go underneath. Right hand over to the left. Right hand over to the left. Right hand over to the left. If you find that it's not as smooth as you want it, or if you want your twist really nice and smooth, you can go ahead and brush as you go. So you just like stop here and then you brush this bit out and then you continue. There you go. And then now I can change it up and then do my twisting again, so I get the parts, the ends nice and secure. Okay, now we're going to go from left to right. So left, take it over to the right, using my thumb and index, get the one underneath. And then again left, take it to the right, take the one underneath. Left to right, take the one underneath. Always hold in as close to this bit as possible. Left to right, take the one underneath. 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 Left to right, take the one underneath, and then we just keep going. tie. There you have it. Alright guys, so that's it for this video, doing twist on your natural hair. I will link some videos showing you how I do twist with hair extensions on my natural hair as well, somewhere around here and in the description as well. So if you've got any more questions, please let me know in the comments. If there's anything that you want me to either show or go more into detail on, let me know. This was actually a video response to a comment I got saying that one of the videos I did wasn't beginner friendly, so I'm hoping that this one covers all bases. Alright, until my next video, I'll see you later. If you like this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share with a friend that may need this, and like it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.